Imagine leading a team of professionals across the globe, all from the comfort of your home. Sounds like a dream job, right? Remote project management is one of the fastest-growing freelancing opportunities, allowing you to work with businesses worldwide while staying flexible. Whether you're coordinating tasks for a startup or overseeing large-scale corporate projects, this role is both challenging and rewarding. Stay with me, and I'll show you how you can turn your organizational skills into a lucrative remote career. Plus, I'll share tips to land your first client and scale your freelance project management business. Remote project management involves planning, organizing, and overseeing projects for businesses, all done remotely. It's your job to ensure that projects are completed on time, within budget, and to the client's satisfaction. In this role, you'll be coordinating teams, assigning tasks and tracking progress, setting goals, ensuring everyone understands what needs to be achieved, managing resources, budgeting time, money, and personnel effectively, problem solving, addressing roadblocks that could delay progress. If you have a knack for organization and leadership, this career is perfect for you. In today's digital age, companies often have remote teams spread across different locations. This is where remote project managers come in. They act as the glue that holds the team together. Why do businesses hire remote project managers? To improve productivity by keeping teams aligned, to ensure projects are delivered on time, to save costs by hiring freelancers instead of full-time staff. The demand for skilled remote project managers is skyrocketing, making this an excellent freelancing opportunity. To excel as a remote project manager, you'll need these key skills. 1. Organization. Juggling multiple tasks and deadlines requires top-notch organizational skills. 2. Communication. Clear communication is essential when working with diverse teams. 3. Leadership. Motivate and guide team members to achieve their goals. 4. Problem solving. Quickly address issues that arise during a project. 5. Tech savviness. Familiarity with tools like Trello, Asana, Slack, and Zoom is a must. The great news? Many of these skills can be developed through practice and online courses. Technology is your best friend in remote project management. Here are some popular tools you'll use. 1. Trello or Asana for task management and tracking progress. 2. Slack or Microsoft Teams for team communication. 3. Zoom or Google Meet for virtual meetings and updates. 4. Google Workspace for sharing and collaborating on documents. 5. Time tracking tools like Toggle to monitor productivity. Learning these tools will not only make your job easier but also increase your credibility with clients. Even if you're just starting, you can create a portfolio that demonstrates your potential. 1. Volunteer work. Offer to manage projects for nonprofits or small businesses to gain experience. 2. Highlight transferable skills. If you've managed tasks or teams in any previous role, showcase that. 3. Certification. Completing certifications like PMP, which stands for Project Management Professional, can boost your credibility. 4. Case studies. Document how you managed a project successfully, including challenges and results. Your portfolio is your ticket to gaining trust from potential clients. Once you're ready to start, here's how you can find your first clients. 1. Freelance platforms. Websites like Upwork, TopTal, and Freelancer have dedicated sections for project managers. 2. LinkedIn, networking. Connect with entrepreneurs and businesses needing help with remote teams. 3. Cold outreach research companies and pitch your services directly. 4. Job boards. Sites like We Work Remotely and Remote.co often post project management roles. 5. Referrals. Ask previous employers or clients for recommendations. Persistence is key. The more proposals you send, the higher your chances of landing a client. Pricing your remote project management services. When it comes to pricing, consider these factors. First, hourly rates. Beginners can charge $25 to $50 per hour, while experienced managers can charge $75 to $150 per hour. Second, project-based fees. Offer a flat fee depending on the complexity and duration of the project. Third, retainers. Charge a monthly fee for ongoing project management support. Always include room for negotiation in your proposals and be clear about your value to clients. Challenges and how to overcome them. Remote project management comes with its own set of challenges, but they're manageable. First, time zones. Use tools like World Time Buddy to coordinate across different time zones. Second, communication gaps. Schedule regular check-ins and clarify tasks in writing. Third, unresponsive team members. Set clear expectations and follow up consistently. The key is staying proactive and adaptable. Scaling your remote project management career. As you gain experience, here's how you can scale your career. First, build a team. Outsource smaller tasks to junior project managers. Second, specialize. Focus on industries like IT, marketing, or e-commerce. Third, increase rates. As your expertise grows, charge more for your services. Fourth, develop long-term relationships. Turn one-off projects into ongoing partnerships. Scaling your freelance business will allow you to take on larger projects and boost your income significantly. Conclusion: start managing projects remotely today. Remote project management offers the perfect blend of flexibility, responsibility, and income potential. With the right skills and tools, you can turn your knack for organization into a thriving freelance career. If you want to discover even more freelancing opportunities, click the link on your screen to watch my next video. Don't miss out. Your journey to freelancing success starts here.